earn money on Amazon. Make money on Amazon in 2021 15 top methods. If you are worried that you have missed the e-commerce boat, don't worry, it's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay selling product online easy, in my experience, the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce in 2020. Amazon ranked in 3.86 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third-party sales. But can you go or do to get a piece of Amazon pie? There are tons of great ways to earn cash on Amazon. So to help you find what might work best for you, the articles dive into the top ways to make money on Amazon in 2021. Let's get to it. Sell your own private label product on Amazon. The best way to make money on Amazon is in 2021 is still through private label sale using Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA network. Around 61% of all Amazon resellers run their business using the private label method. Private label is a process of manufacturing a pre-existing item, preferably with product improvements, putting your branding and logos on it and selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to white labeling on brand creation. The process has around for years and is common in countless retail stores. Target's Macy's brand and Walmart Great Value are two examples of private label brands. Thanks to FBA, Amazon is able to deliver your product typically in 2 days or fewer. What you likely know as Amazon Prime. This is a low e-commerce business owner like you and me can list good on Amazon and make money from the sales. Amazon makes private labeling even easier thanks to a number of advantages. First, you can use a tool like Jungle Scout, the all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon. No estimate the sales your product will make once it's on Amazon. Next, it's easy to source and manufacture your product with the help of platforms like Alibaba or Jungle Scout supplies database. Finally, after you have created your product, you can sell it on Amazon using FBA. You don't even have to ship your own orders. How much money can I make selling private label products on Amazon? Approximately over half, 50% of private label sellers earn 5,000 or more in monthly sales, and nearly two-thirds, 59%, have profit margins over 16. Among private label sellers who have more than a year of selling experience, 31 have earned over 50,000 in lifetime profits. Where can I learn more about selling private label products on Amazon? If you want to learn more about how to make money on Amazon with private label products, Jungle Scout offer a free course to help you get started. How to sell on Amazon FBA account. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP allows you to publish your own books on Amazon and other. This is my second favorite way to make money on Amazon, but that's probably because I'm a professional writer. Then again, in addition to digital format, you can print actual copies of your books too. Amazon creates space print on demand. The only catch with this option is that you usually need to write somewhat prolifically in order to find success. Though it is possible to publish one or two wildly popular books, this volume is the true name of the publishing game. The more you write, then the more you make. How much money can I make writing for KDP? Up to 4,000 per month. I have heard that some authors make as much as 40,000 per month. These writers, however, tend to be prolific and write topically to gain notice. Once you write the material, you don't have to write it again, nor do you have to worry about inventory. How can I learn how to make money on Amazon with KDP? While I don't know of any specific course I trust for teaching this particular method, I do trust Tim Ferriss. And coincidentally, the serial entrepreneur wrote an interesting article on how to become a Kindle millionaire. It is definitely worth a read if you want to make money on Amazon with KDP. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Similar to private label selling, wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to sell using Amazon or FBA network. This primary difference, however, is that you are selling other companies' product. Therefore, you don't have to worry about manufacturing and branding products. For a lot of sellers, it's one of the most popular way to make money on Amazon. How much can I make selling wholesale goods on Amazon up to 3,000 4,000 per month. While wholesaling on Amazon has become notoriously more difficult in the last few years, it is still a great way to earn money. Note that it is a lot more competitive than the private label market.